Good morning students, welcome to Pole Science class. Today we are going to discuss long answer type questions. So today we shall discuss two long answer type questions. First question is, explain any 6 factors that helped in making Soviet Union as a superpower after the Second World War. And second one is, what was Cuba Missile Crisis? Describe its event in chronicle order. So today the first question, explain any 6 factors that helped in making Soviet Union as a superpower after the Second World War. There were many factors which were responsible to make Soviet Union a superpower. First factor was Eastern European were under control of Soviet Union. During the Second World War, East European countries were liberated from fascist forces by Soviet Union. Thus, after the end of the Second World War, all these East European countries came under the control of Soviet Union. Second factor, system of countries that came under the influence of Soviet Union. System of countries, इन कंट्रीज का सिस्टम था वो भी सोवियत के प्रभाव के अंडर ही आ गया था. सो आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, द पॉलिटिकल, सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकल सिस्टम ऑफ ईस्ट यूरोपियन कंट्रीज वर molded under the influence of Soviet Union. Third factor, leader of socialist countries. USSR emerged as the leader of socialist bloc. The groups of countries which were liberated from fascist forces were known as Second World. USSR was the new leader of this bloc. The Warsaw Pact, a military alliance, held them together. वर्सा पैक्ट के तहत इनको इकट्ठा किया गया था सेकेंड वर्ल्ड को. फोर्थ फैक्टर, complex communication network. USSR had a complex network of information and communication. It was the leading country in the scientific field. It was successful in sending first space traveler or moon. It was a leading country in terms of production of nuclear weapons. Fifth factor, improvement in transport sector. Even in remotest areas of USSR were connected with capital Moscow. With the improvement in efficiency of transport section, which led to the change in economic and cultural environment. And sixth factor, improvement in other fields such as industries, occupation and land system also. After the Second World War, USSR improved in every field. There were noticeable improvement in its economy. Vast minerals and energy resources helped in its progress. It had a domestic consumer industry that produced everything from pins to cars. The Soviet state ensured a minimum standard of living for all the citizens. There was no unemployment. All people were involved in the production work, and the government subsidized basic necessities including health, education, child care and other welfare scheme. State ownership was the dominant form of ownership. Land and productive assets were owned and controlled by Soviet state. These were the 6 main factors which were responsible. I repeat it again. First factor was Eastern European were under control of Soviet Union. Second factor was system of countries that came under the influence of Soviet Union. Third factor, leader of socialist countries. Fourth factor, complex communication network. Fifth factor, improvement in transport sector. And sixth factor, improvement in other fields such as industries, occupation and land system. So these factors were responsible for making Soviet Union as a superpower after the Second World War. Now come to second question. What was Cuba Missile Crisis? Cuba Missile Crisis क्या था? Describe its event in chronicle order. So Cuba is a small island nation off the coast of the United States. In 1962, Nikita Khrushchev, the leader of Soviet Union, decided to place nuclear weapons in Cuba, which put US under fire from close range. US President Kennedy was not willing for a full-scale nuclear war, but for the safer side of his country, he was determined to get Khrushchev to remove the missiles and nuclear weapons from Cuba. When Kennedy ordered American warship to intercept means stop any Soviet ship heading to Cuba as a way of warning the USSR of his seriousness, then it seemed, तब ऐसा लगा as if war would definitely come into existence, कि definitely ही war start हो जाएगा. And this is known as Cuba Missile Crisis. इसी चीज़ को Cuba Missile Crisis का नाम दिया गया था. But both the superpowers resolved the matter verbally, and thus world was saved from the Third World War. दोनों ही सुपर पावर्स ने अपने इस मैटर को सॉल्व कर लिया था वर्बली तरीके से, और इस तरीके जो वर्ल्ड है वो थर्ड वर्ल्ड वॉर से बच गया था. Cuba Missile Crisis 1962 was, now we shall discuss its chronicle order. Cuba Missile Crisis 1962 was the most challenging year of Cold War. American even spotted corrupt governments in order to stop communism. अमेरिकन ने क्या किया, USA हमेशा जो करप्ट गवर्नमेंट थी उसको भी स्पॉट कर रहा था, किस लिए, कि कम्युनिज़म स्प्रेड ना हो, कम्युनिज्म को रूट आउट किया जा सके. Batista's government in Cuba was an example. This government was unrooted by Fidel Castro in 1959. Fidel Castro ने इस गवर्नमेंट का तख्ता पलटा था. Castro took help from USSR in order to become free from the control of America. कास्ट्रो ने किसकी हेल्प ली थी, यूएसएसआर की, उस गवर्नमेंट को वहाँ से हटाने में और अपने आप को अमेरिका से आज़ाद करने के लिए, क्यूबा को अमेरिका से आज़ाद करवाने के लिए. अमेरिका ट्राइड टू एंटर इन क्यूबा, अमेरिका ने काफ़ी प्रयास किया क्यूबा में एंटर करने का, फ्रॉम बे ऑफ पिग्स. एट द सेम टाइम इन 1962 अमेरिकन स्पाई शिप टुक पिक्चर्स ऑफ रशियन मिसाइल बेस. उसी दौरान 62 में जो अमेरिका के जो स्पाई शिप थे उन्होंने वहाँ से कुछ पिक्चर्स ले ली, जिससे पता चल गया क्या, कि रशिया ने क्या किया, वहाँ पे मिसाइल इंस्टॉल कर रखे, मिसाइल बेस है रशिया का वहाँ पे. सो रशियन मिसाइल्स इन क्यूबा टुक द कॉइन ऑन देयर साइड. सो अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट जॉन एफ कैनेडी ऑर्डर्ड हिज आर्मी टू गेट प्रिपेयर्ड, कि तैयार रहें, एंड आस्क्ड सोवियत लीडर निकिता खुश्रेव टू रिमूव द मिसाइल को हटा दे वहाँ से. खुश्रेव को भी कहा जॉन एफ कैनेडी ने. व्हेन सोवियत वॉरशिप विद मिसाइल हेडेड टुवार्ड्स क्यूबा, जब सोवियत के जो वॉरशिप जो मिसाइलें लेकर क्यूबा की तरफ बढ़ रहे थे, देन वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस द फियर ऑफ फर्स्ट न्यूक्लियर वॉर बिटवीन टू सुपर पावर्स. तो लोगों ने महसूस किया उस डर को कि दोनों के बीच में न्यूक्लियर वॉर होगा, सुपर पावर्स के बीच में. खुश्रेव said, if president ensures that America would not attack on Cuba and would raise the besiegement, then no issue of missile in Cuba would be there. खुश्रेव ने कहा कि अगर अमेरिका क्यूबा पे अटैक नहीं करेगा तो देयर विल बी नो इशू ऑफ मिसाइल. सो वी शुड नॉट स्ट्रेच दोज एंड्स ऑफ रॉप वेयर देयर आर नोट्स ऑफ वॉर. तो हम उन स्थितियों को नहीं प्रमोट करेंगे जिससे कि युद्ध का खतरा हो, बिकॉज द मोर वी स्ट्रेस्ड द मोर टाइटन द नॉट बिकम। अगर हम जितना ज़्यादा अपने आप को फैलाएंगे मिसाइल्स के द्वारा, ज़्यादा मिसाइलें लेकर आएंगे, तो उससे युद्ध का खतरा बढ़ेगा। सो अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट कैनेडी एक्सेप्टेड प्रपोजल ऑफ खुश्रेव एंड रिमूव मिसाइल्स एंड रशिया रिमूव मिसाइल, रशिया ने वहाँ से मिसाइल्स को हटा लिया एंड सेंट दैम बैक टू यूएसएसआर। दिस वाज द एंड ऑफ दैट न्यूक्लियर वॉर। ये उस वॉर का अंत था, विच नेवर टुक प्लेस। द क्लोज relationship between USA and USSR was developed after the end of the crisis। इस क्राइस के बाद दोनों के कुछ रिलेशन अच्छे हुए। एंड द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ हॉटलाइन, ए डायरेक्ट फ़ोन फैसिलिटी फ्रॉम मॉस्को टू वाइट हाउस इन 1983 वॉज देयर। मगर रिलेशन ये था कि मॉस्को से सीधा वाइट हाउस में टेलीफोनिकली बात की जा सकती थी, इतने अच्छे दोनों रिलेशन हो चुके थे। In the same year, both the superpowers signed Limited Test Ban Treaty, means LTBT। ये क्या था? ये this treaty banned nuclear weapons test in the atmosphere, in outer space and underwater, and it was signed by US, UK and USSR in Moscow on 5th August 1963. It entered into force on 10th October 1963. Even after this war took place between alliances, इसके बाद भी alliances में युद्ध हुआ, supported by the two superpowers in other parts of the world, but they tried to escape from one more another वर्ल्ड वॉर। लेकिन वो बचते रहे कि एक और वर्ल्ड वॉर ना हो। सो फॉर्चुनेटली द थर्ड वर्ल्ड वॉर डिडंट टेक प्लेस। इट वॉज द क्रॉनिकल ऑर्डर ऑफ द इवेंट ऑफ क्यूबा मिसाइल क्राइसिस। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड two more important questions. First, explain the 6 factors that helped in making Soviet Union as a superpower after the Second World War. And second, what was Cuba Missile Crisis? Describe its event in chronicle order. So you are requested to listen it twice and thrice to understand all the concept regarding these questions. So till then, thanks and have a nice day.